USDe is the third largest USD asset and the fastest USD stablecoin in the crypto space to grow to $5 billion in crypto history. And in this video, I want to show you how you can enjoy up to 9% APR on your USDe holding on Bybit, even without staking your USDe. I want to show you first, okay, let's talk about what the USDe is all about. For those of you who don't know already, USDe first is a stable coin in the crypto space, just like you have USDT, USDC, and other stable coins, okay? And then it is created by 𝗕𝗄𝗯 Lab, all right? 𝗕𝗄𝗯, ENA, the token ENA is owned by 𝗕𝗄𝗯. Right, and then USDe is created by 𝗕𝗄𝗯. So it is a synthetic dollar supported by crypto asset. It is backed 1-to-1 to the US dollar, just like every other stable coin you know of. All right, and Bybit is running a promo where in holding the USDe, you can actually start earning interest on that even without staking it. In fact, you don't need to stake it, you just need to hold USDe in your wallet and you start earning rewards on that. Now, with the way the market is currently bleeding right now, a lot of persons are selling off their asset into stable coins. So instead of selling into USDT and you're not earning any interest in it, now as a Bybit user, you can now sell your crypto asset into USDe, and in holding that USDe, you earn some percentage on it, even if it is 1 day. Remember, it is annual percentage return. So even if it is only 1 day you're holding it, you get a reward for the day you're holding it. And then if you hold it for a whole year, that is when you're sure that whatever amount of money you have or USDe that you have, that you're earning up to 9% on it. All right, and there are a few ways you can actually convert your USDT or any of your crypto asset into USDe. The first step is to sell whatever crypto asset that you have into USDe. All right, and if I go ahead to the option here to search for coins, let's go to the spot market, and then we can type in here BTC USDe. So you can see right there that we can sell our BTC into that stablecoin called USDe. So I can go ahead and click on it. Then we'll go to the trade option right here, and then we can go to the sell option, and then we'll select all of our assets and we'll sell our BTC into what? USDe. And if we want to buy back, all right, we can equally buy that particular asset using USDe in our wallet. All right, whatever USDe we have here, we can use it to buy. Now, if you already have USDT or USDC and you want to convert that into USDe, so still on the spot interface, if we go there, we can go ahead and search for USDe. All right, so if we search for USD, you see that the first option there is /USDT. So we can select that option right here, and we can now buy USDe using our USDT. If we have any USDT here, we can use it to buy USDe. All right, the third option that you can equally get USDe is if we go to the top here where it says convert. Right, so I'll go to the convert option, and here on the convert option, all right, by default I have BTC USDT here, so I'll just click on this option here to switch it the other way around. So I now have USDT at the top, then where it says BTC, click on it, and we want to change this to USDe. Right, so we can now convert some USDT to USDe. So I'll go ahead and say I want to convert, let's say 500 USDT, okay, into USDe, and this is what it says we're going to get. Now, in converting my USDT to USDe using the convert option right here, you can see that I'm shorting about $7 or thereabout. Yeah, in doing this. So all we just need to do, right, is to compare this to the spot market and see which one will be better for us. Okay, right now Bybit don't have the option to buy USDe on P2P directly, right? So we only buy USDT and then we can convert it to whatever asset that we want right here. Okay, so what we need to do right now, let me go back to the spot market, and right here I'll just transfer some asset here and see if I convert this from USDT to USDE using the spot market. Let's see if we can be short of $7 as well. That's actually huge, right? But let's do it. All right, so now that I have some USDT right here, all right, so right here at the current price, if we want to convert 500, we want to buy 500 USDE, it's going to cost us about 500 USDT. So I'll go ahead and click on the buy option, and then I click on buy. All right, okay, it seems as if that is placed as a limit order. Yeah, it's placed as a limit order, right? It's down there, it has not triggered yet. You can see that our order is right here, so we are close to the market. Okay, on the order book here we are the first one there, so let's see if that triggers anytime soon. All right, while I'm waiting for this to trigger, I'm going to equally do market order. So change the limit to market order, and then I want to use the remaining 100 USDT to buy and market order. Let me see if this will actually give me exactly the same thing. Yeah, that triggered. Okay, and it's just a shortage of about less than $1. All right, the shortage there is just less than $1. So the convert option charges more than the spot option. All right, so instead of going to use the convert option, definitely your $7 will go just for nothing. Okay, so we have just a shortage of about less than $1, which is the normal spot trading fee. So you see that those of you who always run away from fee and all of that, right, it is not that much. Okay, it is not that much. So for the 500 is still pending. Since it is limit order is still pending, once it triggers, you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so I now have some USDE on my account. All right, so all I just need to do right now is to transfer this back to my funding wallet because I don't want to trade with it. Okay, so I'm going to transfer from unified. I'm transferring my USDE from my unified account to my funding account, and I'm going to do max here. Then when the one for 500 equally triggers, I'm equally going to transfer it to my funding account, and then I can start earning interest right here. I don't need to stake it, right? I don't need to stake it. I can now start earning interest on this by just holding that USDE or by just holding that stable coin. I don't know if you follow the gist, right? So in summary, what I'm saying is when you hold, some of you are holding USDT right now. Some of you are holding your crypto asset in USDC. So instead of holding it in these stable coins that don't pay you interest, just imagine that you're having like $100,000, $1 million in stable coin. You can convert that into USDE and earn up to 9% APR on that asset you are holding without going to the Bybit end option to stake it. If that resonates with you guys, take advantage of it right now. All you need is to get a Bybit account. The link will be in the video description. If you are going to download the Bybit app from your Play Store or your App Store, just use digital where it says referral code and you're good to go. All right, so go ahead, take advantage of this right now. Sign up for a Bybit account, deposit some asset into your Bybit account, convert it into the stable coin called USDE, and start enjoying free interest or free money for yourself every day. That is it. If you have gained value from the video, give it a thumbs up, share this video with others, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.